Okay, this is the homework for the Raspberry Pi Pico W lesson 64, Paul McWhorter's object-oriented programming example. In the lesson, he did an object-oriented programming example of two LEDs blinking, and the homework was to make a servo operate with the same principle. So I have my code here. This is the lessons LED class, and this is my servo class here. The servo class is the init is initiated, created. I give it a default position of 0. The servo pin is passed into it, so you just have to create the servo with a pin number. This code here, the machine PWM, is from a previous lesson, and this the frequency is set to 50. This didn't work for a long time because until I got this frequency setting, which I forgot from the original code, so I wrote myself a note, don't forget this setting. Then there's only one, just like here, there's only one method, it's blink, and this one here is only one method to the servo class, it's servo go. So it just has, you pass it a position, it establishes the position as the object's position, the attribute of the position. It does this calculation also, I think, from lesson 36. Then it says you have to change the duty cycle, write it to the pin. Also, this is from a previous lesson. And then my error message to my output message to myself was, position the servo arm with the right value, just so I could check. So this is the method to create it. This is to make it go to a position. This is all the settings from the lesson, and this is the one from the settings for the servo object. So I set it pin 16, red position, green position, which is the blinking lights. It goes to one position, then it blinks the other, and it goes to the other position. Creates the object by setting a pin number, and then this is kind of the point of object oriented. You just have a while true loop here, and it's very simple. It just says the servo, the object is the servo, and you just say servo go, and you give it a position, and then you blink the light, and you give servo go, and you give it a position, and you blink the light, and it looks very simple in this part of the loop. So I guess that's the whole point of object-oriented programming. Anyway, here's my not a fidget toy servo, and I'm going to start the code here. Oops. I'll start the code here, and it should go. Okay, yeah. It goes to the green position, and then blinks, and then it goes to the other position, the red position, and it just goes back and forth. And this is just a combination of the code from the lesson and then not a fidget toy, the servo. Stays in green and goes to red. I just put this here just so the light doesn't blast the camera. Okay, I guess that's my homework, so thanks for watching.